Bug off. What does it mean? Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an informal English phrase that you might have heard in movies or perhaps in daily conversations. It's the phrase, bug off. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it appropriately. The term, bug, originally means a small insect. But in English slang, to bug, someone can mean to annoy or to bother someone. When someone says, bug off, it's derived from this slang use of the word bug. Essentially, it's a way to tell someone to stop bothering or annoying them. The phrase, bug off, is informal and can be considered rude if used inappropriately. Here's how to use it. 1. Context with friends. Among friends or in a playful setting, it might be used in a light-hearted manner. 2. Example. If a friend is teasing you about a harmless secret, you might laugh and say, "Oh, bug off." 3. Serious context. In a more serious situation, it's a way to firmly tell someone to leave or to stop bothering you. 4. Example. If someone is persistently trying to sell you something after you've declined several times, you might say, "I'm not interested, bug off." 5. Caution. It's important to note that bug off is not appropriate in formal situations or with people you're not familiar with. It's best used among friends or in informal settings. Like many phrases in English, there are other ways to convey the same or a similar sentiment. Here are some variations. Buzz off. This is very similar to bug off and has the same meaning. It's also informal. Beat it. This is another informal way to tell someone to go away. Leave me alone. This is a more direct way of expressing the desire to be left undisturbed. Understanding idiomatic expressions like bug off can make English seem tricky, but it's these nuances that add flavor to the language. Always remember to use it in the right context to avoid misunderstandings. We hope this video sheds light on this particular phrase for you. Until next time, happy learning!